Arts for All presents
Mondays with May.
Hi, it's me. It's Miss May from Mondays with May. Oh, I am so excited to share all the exciting stuff I have planned for you this year. Yeah. Do you want a little sneak peek? Because I can do that. I can give you a sneak peek. Okay, watch this. Did it work? Oh, hold on. Watch this. You're still here. Okay, hold on. Watch this. What did I tell you? So much fun stuff. We'll have a new episode for you every month of the school year. So make sure you tune in to Mondays with May from Arts for All. Signing off, it's Miss May. See ya. All right, now how do I turn this thing on?